Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness. This is Curve Appeal by Hair You Wear, or also known as Raquel Welch. And it's just gorgeous, super fun. One of my favorite all-time colors, Rusty Auburn. I love the coloring in here. You can check out some of my photos that'll be posted later or up here of her in the sunlight, because the sun really picks up the shades here. Before we get started though, again, Sparky Sparks here. And in this world, we like to subscribe, if you will, so we can stay connected. So push the subscribe button, and that means connected or following. So I like to remind everybody of that. Also, I have a website that I launched, and I'd love for you to sign up for my newsletter and know all the things that are going on in this world with me. Lots of new things for 2025. And I'm really excited to share them with you. And there's going to be some teases, I think, coming out. I haven't planned the whole thing out yet, but it's an exciting year. So lots on the horizon. Now, as usual, I like to take you on a tour of this wig. I basically review wigs that I've been given to from wigs.com. And so they send me wigs to review, and then I share them with you here on my channel. And if you are interested in this wig or any wig that I show, you can click on any of the links in these wig review videos, and that takes you through the portal to give me credit for this wig, and then you can shop. So it's as if you were in a department store and the sales clerk says, "Did anybody help you with your sales today?" And if you go through my link, then you're saying, "Yes, Sparky helped me." So I really appreciate it if you go through my links or share my links with your friends when they're shopping for a wig. Or if you have any questions, I'm always here to help you and answer questions. A lot of my people come through my website, which is the www.annafairwithhair. And that gets you right to me, and then I can answer questions or schedule some one-on-one time to talk about wigs or your specific needs for your wigs. So keep that in mind. Again, subscribe. And now let's get to the wig, shall we? Let's show the outside first. So this is the side. Pretty, isn't it? And the back for all my people who love to see the back. And then I'll turn slowly so you can see the side. Really pretty. And then she's big hair, right? Here's the hairline. Just so pretty. I like to say I'm about, let's see, my pinky's touching the camera now. So if you're this close to somebody, they're not thinking about your wig, right? They're not. Trust me. All right, let's take this off and look at the inside. It's always fun to see what's going on the inside of these wigs. So we turn her inside out. This wig has a partially hand-tied top right here with free parting space here. This is the lace front that gives it the illusion of coming right out of my head. So this is just a really great feature on a wig. This lace goes from about temple to temple. So down here, it just fits me snugly with this ear tab right here. And then on the back, we have adjusters. So if it's by chance too big, you can adjust this smaller, move it over. Now, what I will say, you don't want to over adjust or make it too tight. If you do, you'll get a slamming headache. And trust me, I know, I've done it too many times to myself. All right, so now we're going to turn her over. When you get a wig right out of the box, she's traveled to you. So take her out, give her a shake so that if any stray hairs are out there, don't worry about it. Now, to put the wig on, we're going to hold the back here by the tags. Hold your thumbs there on the tags. The lace front right here, we're going to make this land right here on my eyebrow line. I don't want to try to land her where I want her. I want to have that room to adjust. So we're going to land her right here on my forehead, just like this. And then you pop up like a rock star. Now stop, pause, breathe. Because at this point, you may or may not think, that doesn't look good. And you're going to be saying, Sparky, what the heck? What? So don't worry, breathe. This is the part I love. Now, hold on to the ear tabs. They're on either side. And move the wig around until she's 4 fingers to your part line. So from my brow bone, about 4 fingers to that part. That's going to make her look the most natural. And that's how I get away with wearing these wigs with my really high forehead. I've always had a high forehead. I was a swimmer in high school and elementary school, actually. When I come out of the water, my hair would go back, and kids and adults alike would say, "Oh, what happened? You have such a big head." Well, it's just the way it is, and I've been teased relentlessly for my whole life. So now I have a solution. Wigs, I can adjust this to wherever I want it to be. So I'm going to show you if it's not far enough back, it's going to look like this, which isn't terrible, but it also isn't really where it's supposed to be. Now, if I wear it on my hairline, which some of you have hairlines like me, my hairline is way back here. So I would say, no, absolutely no. We're gonna move her to where she is 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Beautiful. You saw how quickly that went on and how quickly that looks so pretty. It's just gorgeous. This is why I wear wigs. You can get ready, look all put together in seconds, really. This just took seconds. So again, this is Curve Appeal by Hair You Wear, or also known as Raquel Welch. It's kind of reviving it a name. And the color is Rusty Auburn, or 3027 if you're looking at the color numbers. I think she's stunning. This is perfect. You can wear her up if you like this. But I tend to wear these beautiful curls down, and you just use your fingers to break them up. Just gorgeous. Now again, follow me by pushing the subscribe button. Watch my videos. Comment, please. I need to interact with you. I want to know what's on your mind. What do you think? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you say, no, wear purple hair or wear gray hair, be your age? Whatever your thoughts are, I'd love to know. Stay connected, stay tuned. There's lots coming in 2025. I'm so grateful that you're here. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content. It means the world to me. It really does. Thanks again, and have an amazing day. Cheers.